What if you didn't need to learn coding? Didn't need to download Unreal or Unity, and didn't need a full development team to launch your own multiplayer game. That's basically what Forge X Burst 8 is trying to change. Burst 8 is an AI powered game creation platform. Instead of writing code, you type your idea, and the AI builds the game world for you. You want a survival arena, a dungeon crawler, a multiplayer boss fight? You describe it, the system generates it. It runs in the browser, and it is designed for creators who don't have traditional game dev experience. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Forge connects those AI created games to blockchain infrastructure. Instead of just building a game, creators can build economies inside their games. That means asset, in-game values, and player participation can connect to a larger Web3 ecosystem. Traditionally, only big studios controlled game economies, but with Forge Express 8, the barrier to entry becomes lower. You don't just grind inside someone else's world, you can create a world and let players participate in it. It shifts gaming from player focus to creator focus. Now, the real question is, will this become the future of Web3 gaming or just another experiment? Either way, if it's interesting to watch because this could change who gets to build and who gets to earn.